Working from home, tips and tricks on running a home business. Having a home-based business is a great way to set out on your own. To make your own living in the world, without the high costs of a lease, and extra utilities as well as staff costs that a normal business would require sounds like a dream come true. While it can be lucrative, it requires a lot of hard work. This video will help walk you through making the best of it. If you are running a business out of your home, it is vital that you keep excellent records and documentation of all of your business expenses. Keeping a good record of everything you spend on your business will provide you with the proof you need should your home business be audited by the IRS. You need to find a solid backup solution in case your home business is not successful. Plans that help recover from worst-case scenarios are extremely useful, even if your product is doing well on the market. When you plan for emergencies, you'll be more likely to have the income you need during the rough times. Take breaks. Keeping a home business going can take a lot of work, and many work-at-home business owners work non-stop as long as they can. This is a mistake. Taking regular breaks makes you in fact more likely to have a clear head when dealing with business issues. Make sure you respond to any customer inquiries in a timely manner. Keep track of your messages to make sure every question gets answered. This will show customers you care about your business and they will come back to do business with you for their future purchases or business needs. Knowing what you can and can't do with your home-based business, as well as the best ways that you can make it a success, will give you the edge in your business. The tips from this video should help to give you the best shot possible at being self-employed. Student loan.